got 500 for selling my master. Ăn cơm đồ bia.
Hello my family members, welcome back to my channel. Today I visit New Bazaar early morning and they sell underwear. Yes, you guys don't have underwear anymore, go and buy it, okay? And let's go and search lemon. Okay, let me search this one. Oh, tumpi bintay. Searching lemon, we are seeing a big tummy.
Oh no.
Okay, this is tangzing. I would like to buy that. Tomatoes and potatoes. And here we got some mantles. Okay, let's go and buy chicken. I'm coming to buy you. Okay, this is the next day. It's raining and I'm gonna plant this lang masal. Lang masal hi le bazara. Kachini ha kala ga hi. Tui ka di. Ka puing thelo kha. Tui ka di phoda tuni gong zu tu kitona ka phu hi. Zichu ong kek ngei ding ong hing ngei ding a kinep na. Kani zika guzuk laya kavak tuzu ahitai. When the lang masal is becoming big, you can have it 2-3 leaves. Okay, you come in my house and I will share you 1 to 2, 3, 4 leaves. Okay.
Oh my god.
And as you can see, this is my mustard garden, the Thang Tin Lane Hokip Palace. And this is the third time I think I am selling this uncomes to the markets, to the worlds. And as soon as I plant this oils, I will sell in the markets. Okay, right now I am using English. The English which I use is called English in dictionary, and I am pro in speaking English. And as you can see, this is the Thang Tin Lane Hokip Eatery and the sellers in the rolls. Okay, as we see, our subscriber is increasing. And I promise to my family that after reaching 10k we are going to do Q&A, so keep ready, your question and answer is coming on the way. Okay. I thought I planned mustard seed, but I don't know all these herbs. The hampas is very many. Why they are coming very many, I don't know. More than uncomes the hampa is many, you see. Oh le zichangi wa ba zo katin zichile zo thei di dan kai ta chu na hian uncome hi ka bot zo me ka oh ka zo to. Now done with all the plucking part, and now cleaning all the uncome as dirty as cleaning time. Okay. आज तो बहुत गर्मी है ना. Florence also feeling very गर्मी. Okay, let's start cutting the S.
Oh no!
Hey, ek va thak cho nom na lom e ke zinga bek ti na. chèn chút bùi xích ta vì phát đi ngay để làm được chỉ chơi kê bôi dâu chú là cái ta khả năng cái post pin có cần cầm hiểu nghe nữa nè post dâu tai let's go and sell it mũ bằng mình đi cái mũ kia để đàn này tai à chẳng ý vợ hồi tập đến hi lâu lê nhưng mà cô mà nó hết bị thì mà tăng khát bia sợ đàn cho bò lâu hình xếp lâu hình bằng hi lẽ dù có gì tay tiêu let's go and sell this some mustard tôi nghĩ hi lẽ cái ngà về rộng này để ăn cam ở tay gì khi lấy cái rượu từ lâu mấy thế let's go and sell tiếng Anh điều yeah paisa coming to my pocket oh yeah
ăn cơm đâu bia
tôi gì tôm thôi đó bằng cái rổ thôi okay this is potato and this is banana potato and see to one. Okay, let me saw this cabbage. This also we are selling this. You can buy it for anchovies. So yummy.
I got 500 for selling my mustard.
Done with selling, let's go back to home. I thought of dancing in front of that duty wala, but no dancing. And I keep for next vlog.